pumpkin roe. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delicious pumpkin roe. Get you a bowl. Start off with 1 cup of sugar. 3/4 cup of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2/3 of Hunter pure pumpkin. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. 3 eggs. Now's the time to put walnuts in it if you want some walnuts, peanuts, any kind of nuts. This is the time to put in it. I would just put like 1/4 of a cup of nuts in here. You a cookie pan. Get you some parchment paper. I sprayed a little bit of Pam on here. You don't have to. I just do it just to be cautious in my mind. Like, I know it's going to come off. So, you don't have to, though, but it's for me. We're going to pour your batter straight over onto your baking sheet. We're going to preheat our oven to 350. We are going to bake for 20 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. We are going to make the filling. Get you a bowl. Get you 1 block of room temp cream cheese. Get you 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. Get you 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then we are going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Good. Get it straight out the oven. Raise this up. Take our parchment paper. It's going to be hot. And we are going to roll as quick as you can. And cool off underneath too. We are going to set it onto a cooling rack that's completely cool. We are going to put it in the middle. And we're going to wrap it up really good and tight.